for the video is pronouns. So today we are going to learn about pronouns. This is the second part of parts of speech, okay? Second type of parts of speech. Now what do you mean by pronoun? Pronoun has a relation, is in like a very, very strong relation with noun. Okay, so what is pronoun? Pronoun is actually just a word. Pronoun. You can see noun is also used here. Okay, so pronoun means, pronoun is a word. Pronoun is a word used in place of noun. Okay. Let's say for example, if I am talking about someone, or if I'm writing a story, let's say for example I'm writing a diary where I'm talking about Ram and I'm saying that Ram is a good boy. Okay, Ram is a good boy. Ram is the favorite student of his teachers. Okay, Ram plays football. Now again, if I read out this sentence, you will see that I have used Ram 3 times. Okay, I was just talking about Ram and I used his name almost 3 times. So the repetition of Ram is, what is Ram? Ram is a noun. Okay, the name of a person. That is, Ram is a good boy. Ram is the favorite student of his teachers. Ram plays football. Again, in all of these sentences, you'll see that Ram has been repeated almost 3 times. So instead of this, what I can do is, first of all, I will make it clear that I am talking about Ram, and then I am going to say that Ram is a good boy. Then I am going to use the word he instead of Ram. He is the favorite student. He is the favorite student of his teachers. Then again, he plays football. So Ram is noun here, and what is he? He is a pronoun. Okay, Ram is noun and he is pronoun. So instead of repeating the Ram again and again, let's say I have to write an article about Ram, let's say for 1 page, so I'm not going to repeat his name again and again. Instead, I'm just going to use the letter. First, in the first sentence, I will just specify that I'm talking about Ram, and then I will continue talking about him by making the use of word he, his, or whatsoever. Means we are going to use pronoun here. So pronoun is basically a word which is used in the place of noun. Now we are going to talk about the types of pronoun. Okay, so they are basically, okay, now we are going to talk about types of pronoun. So we're going to talk about, basically we're going to talk about types of pronouns, where types of pronouns are around. How many types of pronoun is there? There are 10 types of pronoun. 10 types of pronoun. Okay, now what are those? The first one is known as personal pronoun. Okay, the second one is possessive pronoun. Okay, the third one is reflexive pronoun. The fourth one is reciprocal pronoun. Okay, the fifth one is distributive. Okay, distributive pronoun. Sixth one is demonstrative pronoun. The seventh one is relative pronoun. pronoun. The eighth one is indefinite pronoun. Ninth one is interrogative pronoun. The 10th one is emphasizing. Hold on just a second. Emphasizing pronoun. Okay, so these are the types of pronouns, and how many types we are going to read about? We are going to talk about the 10 types of pronoun. The first one is personal pronoun, the second one is possessive, third one is reflexive pronoun, fourth one is reciprocal, fifth one is distributive, sixth one is demonstrative, seventh one is relative, eighth one is indefinite, ninth one is interrogative, and 10th one is emphasizing pronoun. In the next videos we are going to talk about each of these pronouns one by one. Okay, we're going to talk about them, their uses, and the questions related to them. Okay, all together we're going to talk about the questions related to pronoun.